Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. Here we have our new Ford Mustang GT Police Style 12V battery electric ride-on car. This brilliant example of a 12V kids muscle car comes with everything you would expect, with the added fact that it's also a police car. Now they really can imagine new adventures. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. This multimedia player is compatible with both our key-shaped USB sticks and our brand new Bluetooth adapters. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. Padded leather style seats. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. Astonishing lights and sounds. The special police edition livery on this car has been designed to spark your child's imagination. The CB radio style microphone means your child can now propel themselves into a world of make-believe while zipping around in this cool police style Mustang. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.